Hey food lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today let's make green masala mutton pulao. So let's get started. Here I have taken 1 kg mutton. Add 2 glasses of water. Add 3 teaspoons ginger garlic paste. Add salt to taste. Close the pressure cooker and pressure cook for 3 whistles. To prepare green masala paste, take 1 bunch of coriander leaves, 4 green chillies, little mint leaves, 2 to 3 tablespoons of grated coconut and half lemon. Add the ingredients to the mixer and make a fine paste. To prepare the curds mixture, I have taken 4 tablespoon curds, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 2 teaspoon coriander seeds powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, two teaspoon fennel seeds powder, mix well. Release the pressure from the pressure cooker. Check whether the meat is fully cooked. Separate the soup from the cooked meat. Heat a vessel, add 2 teaspoon ghee. Add cinnamon stick, 4 to 5 cloves and 2 petals of star anise. Add 1 chopped onion. Saute till translucent. Add the green masala paste. Fry the masala very well. Add curd masala paste. Mix it very well. Let it cook for some time. Cover and cook for few minutes. Take 4 cups of basmati rice. First wash the rice and soak it for 30 minutes, and then after drain the rice. Next, add the drained rice to the mutton. Mix it very gently. Here, since I have taken 4 cups of basmati rice, so the amount of soup I have taken 4 cups plus 4 cups of water. So the total cups will be 8 cups for 4 cups of basmati rice. Add salt to taste. Close the lid and let it cook for some time. Your yummy and tasty green masala mutton pulao is ready to serve hot. Enjoy!